Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas, back on the Las Vegas Strip. We are at the Grand Bazaar shops, walking past Giordano's Pizza. That's a video that's coming up soon. They have really good pizza there. But that's not why we're here today. We're here to visit Bally's Hotel and Casino. Bally's is run by Caesars Entertainment here in Las Vegas, and rumor has it that Caesars might be changing the Bally's name to Horseshoe. Horseshoe is another one of Caesars' well-known brands. They currently have 5 venues under that brand, one in Indiana, one in Iowa, Louisiana, Maryland, and Mississippi. Speaking of Mississippi, if Mississippi bought Virginia and New Jersey, what would Delaware? I don't know. Alaska. Hey, some of you subscribe for my corny humor, and on that, I will deliver. Where was I? Man, I am all over the place with this introduction. Oh, it's just a rumor right now, but if Caesars does change the name of Bally's, don't be surprised next time if you're on the Strip, you see a huge horseshoe sign instead of Bally's. Alrighty, we're heading inside, maybe where I can focus a little more on what I'm doing here, and we're going to check this place out. Come on along. This place is really jumping, and I don't come to Bally's that often. I tend to visit Paris more often. These two hotels and casinos are connected. They're both Caesars properties. So I don't come to Bally's that often, but this place is really jumping right now, and I should come here more often.
This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Last time I was at this registration area, if I remember correctly, there was a lot of police activity, and I enjoy a little drama in my daily life as long as it doesn't involve me. I like to witness drama. I don't like to be a participant. By the way, there are several of those showgirl mannequins here. They show the history of showgirl costumes throughout the years. So I know most casinos, slot machines take up most of the real estate, but in Bally's it seems like they really have a lot of slot machines taking up most of the casino floor. And if you like slots, this might be the place to come. The area we're heading into has lots of shops and restaurants as well. There's a lot of stuff to check out downstairs at Bally's as well, so we're going to head on down there now. Hold on tight. There's a lot of shops down here, as well as restaurants, and more like fast food restaurants, as well as some exhibits. The Real Bodies exhibit is down here. I did a video on that not too long ago. It's where the actual human bodies are dissected and on display. It's kind of creepy, but very interesting. I'll leave a link in the description below. We're heading towards the Bally's food court, but some of the restaurants here, including the food court, include Sterling Brunch, BLT Steak Las Vegas, Burger Brasserie, Boca de Pepo Las Vegas, Tequila Taqueria Bar and Grill, Nosh Deli, and Sbarro. There's also a Lavazza, which is kind of like a Italian Starbucks. And Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs is here as well. Looks like the location of the sportsbook was a afterthought. It's kind of an odd location down here in the basement by the food court. There's no other gambling going on down here with regards to either tables or slots or things like that. Down here they also have an arcade for the kids, or kids at heart, and also a 4-lane bowling alley. I don't think it's an official size bowling alley, I'm not sure, but it's a 4-lane bowling alley for the kids nonetheless. And as I mentioned earlier, the Real Bodies exhibition is down here in the basement of Bally's, and it's extremely fascinating if you're into this kind of stuff. I always enjoyed biology. These are actual human cadavers that were dissected, and you get to see everything that works inside the body. And I left a link down in the description of this video in case you want to check that video out. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And a shout out to Pac-Man, who seems to be on a roll lately. He found Clarice the Miss America crown in the latest Atlantic City video, The Golden Nugget. Pac-Man also discovered Minnie Mouse in the Grand Floridian video that was just this past Thursday. One of many videos coming to you guys from Orlando. Those Orlando videos, by the way, will include Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and lots of other attractions. And they're going to usually be uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So new videos coming Monday through Friday now, hopefully. This atrium we're heading under connects the Bally's Hotel to the Paris Hotel and Casino. In between the two are a bunch of restaurants and shops that belong to the Paris Hotel. Well, what do you know? There are tables here in this casino. Some of the bars and lounges here at Bally's include Sully's Casino Bar, the Indigo Lounge, Shiver, and the Lobby Bar. There's also a Bally's Fitness here, as well as lots of stores and places to shop, not only in the building, but there's that Grand Bazaar, which we walked through at the beginning of this video. Lots of shops there as well. There's also the Blue Pool at Bally's, that's BLU Pool. It's one of the only deep water pools I know of on the Strip. I'm sure if you guys know of others, you'll let me know in the comments below. But this pool goes to 12 feet deep. Most of the pools along the Strip, or anywhere for that matter, that has public swimming, only go up to about 5 feet. And something for the kids or families is downstairs. I mentioned that arcade and bowling alley. Inside that complex is also the Twilight Zone by Monster Mini Golf. It's an 18-hole glow-in-the-dark mini golf course. It's got a live DJ, loud music, and it's a great place to go for the whole family if you're looking for something different to do, or if it's too hot out, something like that. And I don't know why I assume mini golf is for kids, because every time I pass a mini golf course, it's usually adults playing, and it's a great date night, I guess. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And this is Nosh, the deli here at Bally's. Ugh, these casino rugs, I'm just getting tired of talking about them, and I'm sure you guys are getting tired of me complaining about them. And speaking of my complaining, here's a random one for you. Don't you hate when you're walking behind a family of 4, 5, or 6, and they're all holding hands, walking at a crawling pace? You see this everywhere once in a while, but it was especially true in Orlando, and I don't mean to sound cruel or anything, and some people might say, well, that's adorable. It is adorable unless you're me behind them. So there you have it, casino rugs and more than 2 people holding hands in a public walkway. There's my 2 complaint per video quota for the day. And there you have it, Bally's Hotel and Casino, home of these retro showgirl costumes. I think we saw 3 of them in this video, but there's lots more here in the casino. And home of the casino, probably with the largest slot selection that I've seen in a long time. What'd you think of Bally's? What'd you think of the video? Leave a comment below.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
Speaking of showgirls, we haven't seen any in quite a while. That's good old Laverne and Shirley. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.